Hello everyone, welcome back to Physique channel. My name is Fola. Today we will be learning how to make a beautiful shirt top. We'll be making use of this nail fabrics. Let's get started. To make this shirt, you need button to complement it in the front view. You need this collar stick to make your collar. You need this light paper stick for the bottom parts of your shirt to make it stable. You need about 2 yards by 60, length 2 yards. If you want to make short of your fabrics, it's good you get 3 yards. Now to make this shirt, I'll be cutting the back first, and the length of shirt is I measure half of an inch here. That will be my starting point and the joining allowance for the shoulder region. So from there I mark 30 inches. Then I have 1 inch down here for my joining allowance. So the shoulder length of the person is the actual shoulder length is 15 inches. We add 3 to it, 18 inches. Then because it's shirt, so it has to fall in that shoulder region. It won't stand, so the shoulder has to fall. So 18 inches divided by 2 give me 9 inches. Then I get my chest line of 9 inches as well. Connect it. I don't want this material, this fabric to get dirty. That's why I don't want the chalk to be too obvious. Connect it with my armhole line. So we'll be considering the hip measurement for the body of this shirt. So, and the original hip measurement of the person is 44. So I will add 8 inches to it. That's 52. 52 divided by 4, 13 inches. So I'll measure 13 inches here because this shirt has to be roomy. It's a loose one. So the joining allowance has been added to it. So you mark 13 inches. Bust, waist and the hip, 13 inches. So you just connect it straight. So just connect it to your armhole region. Get your shoulder slope of 1 inch. Neckline width 3 inches. Neckline depth for the back 1 inch. Connect it. From the shoulder slope, connect. So this shirt is going to be having pockets, like 4 pockets in the front. I will cut it out. You add your joining allowance of 1 inch at the armhole region and neckline region. This is the back cut. Let's go and cut the front. To make the front, first of all, roll down 2.5 inches. Roll down. You get half an inch. Shoulder allowance. So I get a mini measurement. Shoulder length 9 inches. Chest line 9 inches. Connect it. The slope 1 inch. So for the front cuts, neckline with 3 is 3 by 3. Connect it. So 13 inches. 13 inches. Connect it. To do is the hip measurement you are going to consider. So I connect the armhole cuff, step inward like half. So for this 2.5, which will serve as a button allowance. After cutting it out, I will go and gum the paper stay on it. So let me cut it out. I add half an inch here. It's just the way we did in the back. Now, to cut the neckline, first of all, open this. I will iron this paper stay on the button allowance before I cut out the neckline. I folded in the button allowance. See, I folded it to the right side. So the next thing is for me to cut the neckline from the joining allowance. So now we need to go and join the back shoulder neckline and the front shoulder neckline. Join here together. Do the same thing with half an inch. So thereafter we measure what we have here to cut our collar. Let me go and join it. I've joined the shoulder region together. So the next thing is to measure our neckline circumference now. .5. So that is what I will be using cutting out the collar now. But I will drop the link of how to cut and sew collar. We have a video on that. I will do that off camera. We are using this collar stay. Cut it. Now to cut the sleeve, measure armhole circumference. We have 22 plus 1 now give us 23. Divided by 2, that's 11.5. So fold your fabric into, this is double, 9 inches. The upper arm circumference is what you consider in folding this. So the upper arm circumference is 40. So I added the 4 because we are making loose. So we don't want it to tie, and because the body is roomy already, so sleeve will have to be free to some extent. So I use 9. So that which we measure there, 23 is 11.5. So that is what we measure here. 11.5. Measure it again. 11.5. So the length is going to be 12, but we will add some inches like 4 for that turn up. So I measure this 16. Four inches will be used for the turn up. Yeah, so 5. Measure it up. This by 1, so 8 inches. So measure the same 8 inches there. So for the turn up, you're going to turn it to the right side. So it's going to have a slit at the center here, like 2.5 slits here. I folded in, I've ironed the paper stay of folding. I folded in 3 inches. So the 3 inches, get the center. Show 2.5. So it depends on you. This slit can be longer than this. It can be between 2 to 4 inches. Stop there. Then you take it to machine and you stitch less than 1/4 of an inch. Stitch it. Then you turn it to the front again. So with this one you can just do a little stitch. After turning it, this is it. I've gone ahead to join the sleeve. This is the sleeve. I've joined it to the shoulder. I later curve the end part with 3 inches. Step up 3 inches. And the next thing is for me to join the side. This is the collar. It's been neatly joined. I'll drop the link for the collar. So the next thing is for me to join the side of our shirt. I will join the side together with the sleeve. It's half an inch. Then pockets. We have 4 pockets in the front, so I'll fix it. This is the pocket. I've got to cut out the pocket. This is the flap. I cut out 11 inches by 9 inches. Ironing 1.75 here to fold my pocket, and I'll use 1/4 or half to sew it down here, half here, half here. So this is the flap. 7 inches by 9 inches. I fold it. I will join it half an inch here, half an inch here, half an inch here. Turn it to the front. Then I will overlock it just like this. Overlock it here. Then the pocket will be joined, measuring like 8 inches. Eight to 9 inches. Measure 9 inches. That's where your pockets be joined. Because immediately after this, we will have folded in half here, half here. We join it like this way. Join this. We'll have ironed it. Iron half an inch. So let me go and do that. So 4 of it. I choose to do 2. 4 is in the thumbnail. Here. Then I've gone ahead to fix the pockets. This is the flap, top stitch. I do the same thing to this side. For this video, I'll be fixing only 2 pockets. So you can choose to fix 4 from the shoulder, measure it inches. Then my pockets end up to be 8 to 9 inches. So the next thing is for me to join the side, fold the hem, and fix my buttons, and the shirt will be ready. Let me look at